In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to filter data after you've lassoed a section of data on your map. And you can filter data by using the lasso zip code tool or the circle zip code tool. And you need to have your alignment scope set to zip codes and accounts if you plan on filtering by zip codes and accounts. If you plan to only filter by account segments, then you can select the only accounts option. So using the lasso zip code tool, I'm going to lasso an area here of zip codes and accounts here in the Midwest, and now we let go of the left button on the mouse, which will show us a map summary of what we've just selected. And here you can see we've selected multiple territories and a lot of different accounts. So to filter our data here, let's say by a specific territory, you click here on Filter, and I'm going to click here in the drop-down menu, and I only want to see data from 303, the Omaha territory. Clicking on that option here in the drop-down menu, and now let's go back to Summary, you will see that now in the summary we only see the data linked to territory 303. You can break down this filter even further. Let's click back on Filter, and now we want to only select a certain type of account segment. So let's select the B segment here and click back on Summary. So now you will see we're only looking at data for the B segment that are found in territory 303. And you can also see all the data summed up for just those two parameters. Once you're happy with these filtered results, you can click here on the next button and you can assign all of those B accounts that are found in territory 303 to a new territory, to an existing territory. We can even unassign those B accounts and zip codes. We can delete those B accounts, and if they were account overrides, we could reset them with this option here. So let's click on Close and try that one more time. So now I'll select an area here in North Carolina. Using the lasso zip code tool, I'm going to click and drag out a shape. And when I let go, you will see a summary appear showing all the data for those lassoed areas. Clicking on Filter, instead of clicking here to select a single territory, I'm going to select a segment type. So I only want to see the A accounts that are found in all of those territories. So now let's click back on Summary, and you'll see that we still have those territories selected, but we only have A accounts selected in that lasso, and the data here is showing all the data for just those A accounts. Clicking on Next, clicking here on the first option, Create a New Territory, we can assign all of those B accounts in all of those territories to a brand new territory. We can add them to an existing territory, essentially create account overrides. We can even unassign them or delete them. And there you go. You've just learned how to filter your data in AlignMix.